Okay, so today we're going to talk about setting up the Kaiser bike. First thing we want to do is put down a towel so we can catch our body fluids and sweats as they come off the bike. So when you're moving the bike, you want to make sure that you tilt it forward and allow the casters to do the weight of bearing the weight as you move it. And as I roll it onto the towel, set it down gently and check to see that it's level. If you find the bike is not level, you can tilt it forward and lay it down on the handlebars. Move to the back left-hand side, and then there's a leveler here that you can adjust to set it so that the bike is level. Once you have it where you want to set it, go back down, lower it down, and check and see if it's level. If it's ready to go, you're ready to ride.